today in this question, we are asked to write the reaction here, which is for letter A, we have aluminum solid reacts with copper chloride, copper 2 chloride to produce copper, so copper solid, and aluminum chloride. So this is the reaction, which is this is the aluminum that reacts with copper 2 chloride to produce copper and aluminum